To make my sleeve, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold two pieces of fabric. One will be for the right and the other one for the left. Then I'll place them on top of each other. Then next, I'm going to draw a horizontal line on top. So I have two folded on top of each other because this helps to make even sleeves for both sides. So just make sure you place the right sleeve and the left on top of each other like I've done. The next, I'm going to mark 5 inches downwards from this horizontal line that I have drawn. So this is a constant measurement and it works perfect for everyone, guys. Try it and thank me later. So I'll just mark 5 inches here. Then I'm going to draw a horizontal line across this 5-inch line. The next, I'll determine the full length of my sleeve. So this is it's a short sleeve. I'm also going to add seam allowance. So I'm just going to mark the full length at 12 inches, and this includes the seam allowance, the hemming allowance. Then next, I'm going to draw a horizontal line on that 5-inch. Remember, I came down by 5 inches, which is a constant measurement. Then next, I'm going to draw a horizontal line down here at the hemline. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my armhole circumference measurement divided by 2. I'll mark it right on this line, plus a little wearing ease. You know we need ease and seam allowance. So I'm going to mark my armhole circumference, divide by 2, plus wearing ease and seam allowance. So I'm just going to get this shirt pattern and measure the armhole circumference. So if you've already sewn your shirts, the best thing to do is draft your shirt, then get the measurement on that shirt. So I'm just going to get this measurement right here. So whatever measurement is there, I'm going to place it on that 5-inch horizontal line. So I'm just going to place it right here. Okay, so next I'm going to draw a diagonal line connecting that point to that point, or I'll just curve it with a free hand. So I'm just going to make a curve, as you can see as I'm doing. So this is a freehand curve. So if you love this video, make sure you subscribe and give it a thumbs up. So I'm just going to measure around to see if this is equivalent to my armhole circumference divided by 2. So I'm going to connect it down to my hemline with my ruler. So on this hemline, just measure your elbow circumference divided by 2 plus wearing ease. So that is what will be on the hemline. Then I'm going to connect with a diagonal line. Then cut it out. So guys, this is how you easily make your beautiful sleeve pattern. And I have 2 sleeves, one for the left and one for the right sides. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. So I'm going to give it a notch there. So this is the left and